Hey, it's Stacey here. I just wanted to let you know that I've been working on something lately. If you've ever wanted to learn how to play piano, or you know someone who's been wanting to get started, I'm making something specifically for adults, and it's not just another online course. This is something we've spent months behind the scenes, from overseeing production to creating something physical to be shipped straight to your doorstep. Inside, there's a digital metronome, which is one of the most important practice tools you can have. There's a companion binder with all the sheet music and guides that you'll need, as well as a tripod so you can record your playing and send it to us, as well as a few little extra surprises in there for our first students, since it's taking that first step that deserves a reward. This isn't about being featured on a big stage or in the news. Our heart is actually in the studio, where we're designing, refining, and working to make an exceptional experience for our students. So whether you're just starting out, or maybe you're coming back from years away from the instrument, we provide one-on-one coaching to get you sounding good on piano. I believe that adults deserve a world-class experience in learning piano. So if you're interested, or you know someone, send this to them, join the waitlist, and save your spot.